Hello guys, good afternoon. It's August 21 here in the Philippines. Thank you Lord. Now I saw sun here now outside. Got my cat here and Mochi is here too. I vlog because I cook some call this chicken feet. Make a Chinese chicken feet. Now I'm starting to fry it, and this is looks here guys. I fry the chicken feet. This is the finishing, and later and I get asweti, fresh asweti from here in the Philippines. Here now, this is the final look. And this is some ingredients, and I use this lemon also. This one. Follow up. With the chicken feet, I'll make I'm gonna put the pressure cooker and boil it this one.